Hi guys! Today we're going to do a science project named Tabletop Volcano. So, what you need is a tube and a fake volcano like so, and some water, a plate, and some red food colouring, and some bicarbonate of soda, and citric acid, but if you like. And you also need something to mix. You need a spoon if you want, because we're gonna pour it into the test tube. Okay, so first you need a plate. Now we're going to put the little holes inside. It's going to be a bit hard. Okay, so now we're going to put the test tube inside. And then we're going to pour the bicarbonate of soda in the test tube. That's why I got a spoon. So now we're going to pour this food colouring into the water. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, now we're going to mix the red food colouring. Nice and pinkish, isn't it? Now we're going to put 1.5 tablespoons of citric acid. And now we're going to mix it again. Make sure you properly mix them so that it will turn out really good. Are you ready? Now let's slowly pour it. Wow! Did you see that? Do you want to do some more? Oh, it's like a real volcano, isn't it? Wow! What do you guys think? If you like it, click a big thumbs up. So what's the science? The citric acid and bicarbonate of soda react with each other and produce the gas carbon dioxide. This causes the mixture to bubble up and flow out of the current of your volcano before flowing down to the sides, just like red tap lava. So there you go guys, this is how we do a tabletop volcano. If you like it, put a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.